Here at WTec, with the Smart Engine technology, we are continuously striving to make buildings more intelligent, energy efficient, and sustainable. With the Smart Engine technology, we create a fine mesh of sensors through the building, which allows us to collect data which can be used for unlimited IoT applications such as heat mapping, spatialization analysis, and even down to cleaning services to optimize the usage of a building. We're very fortunate to have the team at Scenariio as a smart partner. George, Rob, and Mark have been on the cutting edge of the Smart Engine technology from the very beginning, and they are always the initial driving force for many of our new applications.
We are at Gymshark's headquarters today in Solihull, Birmingham, at a Smart Engine lighting installation that we did in April 2018. Smart Engine technology is connected through Cat6 data cables. Each light fixture is attached with a sensor that is connected back to the comms room through your standard data cabling. This means that we can take lights down, move them to new locations and put them back up very quickly and efficiently. The fixtures used in this project were custom manufactured by a supplier in Germany called WTec. So at Gymshark we've got human-centric lighting installed. Human-centric lighting works by mimicking the daylight curve to match your circadian rhythm. The light level changes from 3500 Kelvin through to 6500 Kelvin at midday and dims off and goes warm again in the evening, and helping to keep people feel more focused and more energetic through the working day. With over 500 connected fixtures here, we see over 80% energy savings against the traditional system, which results in approximately 1.5 to 2 watts per square metre use. Working with Octra, the design company who designed this space, we do quarterly occupation analysis where we look at the space, how it's been used, which spaces we can expand staff into, which spaces are underutilised, and we use that to plan the next phase of growth for Gymshark.
So I think the lighting here is really cool because obviously you can go super white lighting sometimes and you can go a more yellowy subdued light at other times, which is really useful, particularly being in the UK where we get super short days in the winter and then longer days in the summer. And then the other cool thing as well for me is like because especially for me, I come from more of a design perspective, so we're always trying to look with Sean and Paul and the guys what the best way of using the office is, the space and the design. Obviously because all these lights have little chips in and we can see heat maps of where people are, we can then base our designs on real information as to where people are going, where they're not going, and how they're actually using the space. So like particularly for me from a product perspective, so where we're downstairs and colour's really important, particularly as we'll use the same colour across different fabrics. So Smart Engine helps us to have like a proper nice consistent white light downstairs, which is really useful for when we're picking the colour in our products.